Hey, I'm Dr. Shook. Let me show you around the office. So when you come in the front doors, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see the front desk, and you'll see our sitting area here. And then as we walk through the clinic, you'll see this is typically where we're gonna do exams. Now this is the exam room. It's just adjacent here to the front desk. You can see this is where massage therapy is conducted. Also, let's walk back through here. So this is down the hallway. So from our waiting room, this hallway leads into the treatment areas. This is where we have spinal decompression therapy here at this table. We have a few different therapies in here. This is one of the therapy rooms. There are 3 of those here. There are also 2 adjusting tables and adjusting areas. So if we walk around here, you can see this is where I work and do most of the adjusting. And then this goes back through into the examination area. This is our laser. And it's a little tour of the office.